How to fix Windows Media Player issues in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if there are some issues in your Windows 11 on Windows Media Player. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your settings. So click on the search icon and search for settings. Once you're on the settings, now head towards this menu bar on your left hand side. And there click on apps. Under apps, click on installed apps. Click on the search bar and search for your media player. Here it is. Now navigate to the media player and click on this three dot. And here click on advanced options. Here scroll down and navigate to the section that says reset. So if media player is not working properly in your Windows 11, first of all, come to the section that says reset and click on repair. Once this process is complete, go back and check whether your media player works fine in your Windows 11 or not. If that still does not help you, again you have to come here and go to the reset option and click on reset. Again, once the reset is complete, you have to restart your device. So you can close this and restart your device. Once the device is restarted and reopens, now again go to the settings. Here click on privacy and security on your left hand side. And here scroll down and go to microphone. Click on microphone. And under this page, if you see your media player where the toggle is not turned on, make sure to turn it on. Once you have done that, now you can go back and your media player will work fine in your Windows 11, and that's how you can solve the issue. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.